Today I have another experimenting for you. Here's the moment of truth. Oh. Are you kidding me? Not going in?
It's because this corner.
Oh. Oh no.
The corners.
Oh no. Too high? Oh, come on, Kevin.
Still would have been too big, I think.
What do you mean? What's that mean? Come on.
Oh, what the? Uh-oh.
Oh, the angle. Shoot. I forgot. Oh, Kevin. Oh! Oh! Oh!
It's
It's perfectly! You fit perfectly. Look.
You just need to stretch it a little. Like, do you think after a few uses, like bending it that much will do anything?
I don't know,
It's
but
a little flexible. Look at that! Oh my god!
This is the hole correctly into the hole. That's another thing.
Oh.
So here's the finished product that we designed the bracket and the mount. The jet ski have a little groove, the V groove down here, and so I make the base here with the triangle down here at the base, the bottom, and I mount it into those holes that already there with 2 screws. So. Yep, and I do have the file for the 3D print for this one, and this is the jet ski. This is Seadoo Spark. Over there is another one, the white one, and the speaker I use is the one that I bought in Costco. $50 waterproof. It's not that loud. I mean, it's okay when you park, or you on the shore, you park, you play, or it's cruising. But if you go too fast, it's not loud enough. So this is the white one, and this is how we pop that in. It's a little tight, but when you get it in, you just pop it down like this, just like that. And then the hole right there fit into the, and then I have a little screw. I just screw it in, and that's that. To get out on the river, and again, I mean, it's not very loud. It's okay when it park. And then after you get it out, you just kind of pop it back out. Like that. Okay, I kind of hard to, do with one hand. there you go. This is a bracket for the Seadoo Spark. I have this file for 2D print. If anyone interested. All right, thank you.